Hello guys, today let's talk about Lexus RX 300 starter. So one of problems is there is bad contacts. You can see I cleaned it there. There was worst condition. Also you can see there is not good contacts. So this is contacting this positive cable from your accumulator to this terminal with going to starter and turning starter, so it starts your engine. But if these contacts are bad, corroded, burned, like something like this, you can buy these contacts new and replace yourself. I saw them in eBay. You can buy these contacts and replace, or just disassemble it and clean it and assemble it back. So when you turn your ignition key to start position, this pushing in and make contact from battery to starter. If there is bad contact, so in cool winter, in summer maybe it's working fine, but in cool conditions your engine will start from 3-4 tries. Your starter will start to spin, crank your engine. So thanks for watching. Leave likes, subscribe, comment this video, share. Thanks, goodbye.